Good morning, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your places. So, welcome to the session of EVS. This is your EVS session. Please take out your EVS books. And I am Mrs. Nancy Sharma, your EVS developer. Please take out your books. And, children, what we were discussing? Do you remember what we were discussing? Yes, we were discussing about plants. Exactly. Okay, and we have done till page number 7. So today we will do page number 8. So take out page number 8, children. Write the date on the top, tick on the weather and the day. Children, before starting, remember always you have to read the facts given below. On every page there are facts given below. You have to read those facts and you should know those facts. You have to learn those facts. How you can learn? In the way of true false, in the way of fill in the blanks, like this. Okay, you have to learn those facts. Okay, now see this. See the below part. Plants need water, air and sunlight to grow. Whenever we plant a plant, okay, whenever we put a seed into the ground, what do? We give water to the plants. Yes, we always give water to the plants. Yes. So after taking that water and the plant is getting air from the atmosphere and sunlight also comes. So when it gets water, air and sunlight, the plant starts growing. If we will not give water to the plants, they will not grow, they will die. We are also living things, and a plant is also a living thing. Why it is a living thing? Because like us, plants also grow, they also drink water, they breathe with the help of leaves. From where do they breathe? They breathe with the help of leaves. Okay, we breathe with the help of our nose. हम सांस कहाँ से लेते हैं बेटा? We breathe from the nose. And from where does the plants breathe? They breathe from their leaves. Okay, so the plants are also living things like us. Okay, now see. Okay, plants need water, air, and sunlight to grow. The part of a plant under the ground is the root. Now, see this part. This is the ground, okay, and below is the soil. Okay, soil means mitti. Below is the soil, and now when we put a seed into the soil, we dig it. Okay, we dig a small hole and then we put a seed inside it, then we cover back with the soil. Then when we keep on giving water and it's getting air and sunlight, the roots come out of those seeds. Okay, so now see the below part. The part of a plant under the ground is called root, and the part above the soil, this is the part above the soil, is called shoot, or we say stem. We what do we say? Stem or shoot. Now children, see how I can give you fill-ups from this. I can ask the part of a plant under the ground is called dash. So you will write root. Then I can ask the part of a plant above the soil is called dash. You can say stem or shoot. And if I ask plants need dash, dash, dash to grow, you will write water, air, and sunlight. Like this, I can give you questions from the facts given below for your exams. Fine? Is it clear to you all? Fine, children. I think you all are listening me and it is clear to you all. Okay. Uh, I have given a task to you to plant four plants in a small disposable cups, and I have received most of the children have done this activity, and they have sent me the pictures. I'm very happy that you are following me on each and every step, and I'm receiving those pictures. So, rest of the students, I request you also. I don't want to take the names of those students who have not done this activity. So, kindly please do this activity of seeding a plant and please send me those four plants. Okay, the pictures of those four plants which I have told you to do. Now see children, what you can see, color and label the parts of a plant. Now see the below part. I have told you this below part is called root. The upper part is called stem. What is this? This is a leaf. When we talk about more than one, we say leaves. Leaves. But we are talking about one, so that is leaf. Leaf. This is a flower. And what is this? This is a bud. From a bud, a flower comes. So this is a bud. Okay? Is it clear to you all? Now see, let's go back. Color and label the parts of the plant. See children, you have to color this and you have to label them. How you will color? You will color it nicely. Leaves should be green in color. Flowers can be, this is a rose plant. You can color it red. Stem should be brown and roots should be brown. Okay. Now see, root and shoot. This is the ground. This is the ground. Okay, this part is the ground. Below this is root, and above this, this is called stem or shoot. Fine. Now see, let's start labeling it. What is this? This is a flower. So you will write here flower. FL, you should know the spelling children. FLOWER, flower. Clear? Next comes, what is this? This is leaf. So tick on leaf and write leaf. LEAF. Fine. The next comes, what is this? Bud. See, from a bud, a flower is coming out. So when it is very small, kind of a seed, we call it bud. Bud, bud. Okay. The next, what is this? This is stem, or we can say shoot. Stem, STEM. Children, it is, you can write shoot also, or you can write stem also. Both are correct. Okay. Next, below the soil is root. So you will write here root. I hope this is clear. Okay, so this is about plants. Again, I'm telling you, plant needs air, water, and sunlight to grow. The part of a plant below the soil is called root, and the part of a plant above the soil is called stem or shoot. Is it clear? So please revise this topic on daily basis. Fine. Now write your diaries, write the date on the top and write do page number 8. Fine. And what is the last minute task? Name the parts of a plant. You have to name the parts of a plant. Like now, you can write root, stem, bud, leaf, and flower. Is it clear to you all? So, quickly finish your work and send me. Bye. Thank you. Stay home and stay safe.